Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and Facetime. You must have a SIM associated with an Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to use iMessage, here I will show you how can you fix this issue very easily. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply go back and now open settings and then go to general and then go to about and check if there are any career updates available for you. Then you have to simply update them, and after this go back and go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply insert the SIM again and restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the Sport app, and from here with this Sport app you can easily get any kind of sport from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you and you will be able to use iMessage very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.